Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. Okay, so this is your curbside deal for the week of July the 15th right till the 20th. What a curbside offer is you go in the Walgreens app, order this stuff, drive to the store and pick it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. It's that easy. A lot of you prefer to shop this way, and I don't blame you. However, if you're a shopper that likes to go in the store, look around, have a moment, all the register reward deals are specifically in store. I made a video yesterday. Check it out. According to most of you, register rewards and digital coupons are coming off and printing. I do appreciate everybody who shared that in the comments of yesterday's video. You guys are awesome. I could ask a huge little favor if you guys can please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. It would really mean a lot to me and the channel if you can take a second and like this video. Thank you so much in advance, guys. Okay, so the first deal that we're doing is deal number 1. And for this one, we're going to grab 3 bags of the Lay's potato chips. They are 2 for $6, so 3 of them is $9. Load this digital coupon, which is a 3 off of 3. So that's a little bit of savings right there if you might have it still. And then we're also going to throw in 3 boxes of the Cheez-Its for $5. That's the promotion. 1 box is usually $4.49, so this is a gift this week. And then the emergency toilet paper. Leave this in your car. You never know when you might need it. 79 cents. So just to show you guys, your $3 digital for the Lay's is coming off along with $1.18 using the coupon code WAG10. So the overall total is $14.79. WAG10 shaving some money off there. Your curbside pickup is free. The $3 melting off as well. If you might have $10 in Walgreens cash in the old account, use it and pay 65 cents and call this a super smart deal. Okay, so the next deal that we're looking at is deal number 2. For this one, we are going to be grabbing 2 of the Dove body washes for $7 a pop, so that's $14. And this is a really fantastic deal. We have that 7 off 2 digital coupon along with buy 2, get back $3 in Walgreens cash. So this is the digital coupon that you're going to load, which is a 7 off a 2. To get the math to balance for this, we're also going to throw in one of these 50% off Hershey's Kisses, and it is the share size for $3.49. The lemonade strawberry ones, unfortunately, they're not online, but this one is. Now, just to show you, we have a $7 coming off along with a 35 cent with the code WAG10. The overall total is $17.49, 35 cents off your free curbside pickup, and one $7 digital coming off for Dove. So the total is $10.98. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it. Pay 98 cents and get your $3 back. As the Dove body wash is on a buy promotion, yes, you can roll your Walgreens cash. Next deal that we're looking at is deal number 3. For this one, we are going to be grabbing 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive shampoos priced at $5.99. We have this very generous 4 off of 2 digital coupon that appeared on Sunday morning. Make sure you have it loaded, so press that plus button. And then we are also going to be throwing in one of the Scott's toilet papers for $5. Whole bunch of digital coupons showed up on Sunday morning for these Scott's products. And then one of the paper towels as well for $5. So that's 10 buckos right there. But we also have this $1.25 Walgreens coupon. Make sure you have it loaded. So $2.50 will be melted off right there. Plus we have the $1 for the paper towel and $1 for the toilet paper. So make sure you have both of these loaded for maximum savings. And this is a great item to throw into your stockpile. And I know a lot of you love the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo, so definitely this is a deal for you. Just to show you the chorus line here, $4, $1, $1, 80 cents with WAG10, and then $2.50 with the Walgreens coupon for the Scott. And just to show you, the overall total is $21.98, $3.30 in WAG10, and then the IVC for the Scott coming off. Free curbside pickup, and then $6 in manufacturers melting off for you. The total here is $13.80. Use $10 in Walgreens cash if you may have it, and pay $3.80 for this basket. I don't think it's the worst deal, and it's just some meat and potatoes items for your stockpile. Okay, so now we're looking at deal number $1.04. For this one, we are going to be utilizing this 10 off of 2 Vitafusion. You can mix and match the little critters with it as well. The promotion for this is to get 25 and to use the code GUT25 for an extra 25% off. I could not make that happen. And it's also buy one, get one 50% off. So 2 of them at $16.99 is $25.48. But then in the fine print of that coupon code, I think it's like you need to be $25 after coupon. So then I threw in another $10 of vitamins and it still wouldn't apply. But I was also doing this on Sunday, so perhaps Monday morning it might be a different story. So the overall basket is $25.48, your $10 melting off. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it and pay $5.48 for 2 massive bottles of supplements. I know a lot of you are always looking for deals on supplements, so this is one. And if you can get that gut code to work, it's even a better deal. Okay, so this next deal, we are actually going to be using this booster. If you didn't use it last week, it's 5 back in Walgreens cash when you spend 20 or more on P&G products. It's actually expiring on Saturday. So we're going to grab one of the larger Tides for $12.99 and then a Tide Pod. Make sure in the fine print it has the promotion of 5 back when you spend 20. If you have these digital coupons to use, I know a lot of us used our digital coupons last week, but if you still might have it, or if you were just like, I'm not about Walgreens last week, this is possibly a deal for you. So this is an extra $6 off. So just to show you the overall basket, it is $25.98. Using the code WAG10, $2.60 is melting off. Your total is still $23.38 before any digital coupons are applying. So the spend 20, earn 5, you've achieved it. Subtracting your $6 in digital manufacturers, I unfortunately used mine last week, so that's why I'm $6 more. After the $6 come off, you'll pay $17.38 plus your tax with your debit card, and then get back $5 in Walgreens cash for the spend 20, get back 5. And that's typically a couple hours after you pick up your curbside order, it will post to your account. So that is a super deal. So it's like about $6 per Tide product. Final deal that we have is deal number 6, and it's feminine care. We're going to grab a $7.99 Tampax and a $6.99 Tampax. And we are going to use the code WAG10 to save an extra $1.20. So that's why I'm getting one of the $7.99 and $6.99. And we also have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. At the very least, guys, load this digital coupon. And I apologize, I haven't done a really good feminine care deal in a bit. So our overall total is $14.98. WAG10 taking it off. Free curbside pickup and no tax on feminine care here in Michigan. $3 digital coming off, and the total is $10.78. If you have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay the 78 cents because this is a super smart deal. Now in the flyer, this is advertised of a $5 gift card when you buy 2 of these products. This is in-store only, and I'll let you know it's only on the boxes that are $15.99 each. So you'd have to buy almost $30 to get that $5 gift card. So this is a much cheaper way just to roll some Walgreens cash. Doing it curbside. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.